Welcome to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to learn how to do a picture-in-picture, which is what you're seeing right now. It is so easy, and I'm going to teach you how to do it in under 2 minutes, so let's go. The first thing you want to do is have the two clips on your timeline, and then you want to stack them with the picture-in-picture clip on top, and then go to your effects inspector on the lower right hand and type in the search bar pic, and picture-in-picture will show up in your effects, and then you can just drag and drop that on top of the clip you want to minimize. It's automatically going to give you this little box that you can drag around the screen and customize in any way you want, but we're going to pick the lower left hand for now. We're going to go over to our effects inspector on the upper right hand. You can toggle on and off the intro and outro for the animation and how you want it to animate. So I just chose lower left because I'm on the lower left, and that's how you do picture-in-picture. I hope that was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. I have tons of tutorials on Final Cut Pro tricks in under 2 minutes, so I'll list that playlist below. I also make videos every 2 weeks on everything editing, so you should subscribe, and I'll see you back here in 2 weeks.